Hi, I'm going to show you how to install Perl onto Windows. First, we're going to go to the command prompt. Now I could have gone to run and typed cmd, or I can just go to the command prompt here, and we're going to type Perl -v to make sure that Perl is not installed already. If it is installed, uninstall it, but here we can see that the command's not recognized, which means that it's not actually been installed. So now we're going to download an installer for Perl. We're going to use the Padre text editor, which actually comes with Perl as part of the installation package. So here we're going to search for Google for Padre Perl, or you could have gone to padre.perlide.org directly. We'll click on the download link, and that'll show us here we have Padre on Strawberry, and that's version 5.12.3. So the next step is for us to download this. When you click that link, it takes you through to the Google code, which is where the raw files are stored. So here we click on the link. We're going to save this, so click on the save button, and we're going to save it to the desktop. So if I click save now, that will then download. Now I've sped up the download here because it's a 70 meg file, but you get the idea. Once that's done, you can close the window here, and you'll then see that on the desktop is the installer ready for you to run. So if you double click that, we click the run button, and you're into a standard Windows installer. So here we'll click next. Make sure you leave this to install on your C drive into a folder called Strawberry. Click next. You can call whatever shortcut you want. We'll keep it as Strawberry Perl. Click next, and then that install starts. So it's quite a long install, but I've sped it up again here just for the sake of brevity. Once that's done, we can click on finish. So the next step is to actually log off and log on again, or indeed you can just restart your entire machine. So I'm going to do that next. Welcome back. So now we want to check that we have Perl installed correctly. So we go to the Start menu, click on Perl command line here, and that will open up a command line for us. We can now type Perl -v. So we'll see that we have Perl 5, version 12, subversion 3 installed on our systems. That's fantastic. The next thing we want to do is to install cpan-. So to do this, we type cpan space app with a capital A, : cpan-. If you then hit return, that will follow through all the steps necessary to install cpan-. This is something we'll use later on, so we can now type exit. The final step is to check that the Padre IDE or text editor has been installed correctly. So here from the Start menu we can see there's Padre, so if I click on that, that will then launch the text editor, and we can see that that's opened fine. And this is something again that we'll use later on, but we want to set up now. So we can quit this. And that's it. You now have Perl installed on your Windows machine. We hope that you enjoy it. Thank you.